Hey, welcome back to Outback Tasmania, and I'm just in my YouTube studio, and as I'm looking around, we're going to be today. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it, when you really look at it like that? It does look pretty cool. Oh yeah. As you know, I've been doing a lot of chopping of wood, it's winter, keeping the fireplace stocked. Today I'm going to clean up the tops of all the trees here. I've been using them in the fire pit, but I think I'm going to bring out the Ozito Silent Shredder. It is the palm shredder. We got this 2 years ago when we cut a tree down in that region there, and we mulched it all up. So it's been sitting out the back under a tarp behind the shed here. Let's bring this out and show you how good this little thing works. And we'll turn this into this. Okay, let's Ozito and go. Yeah, we got ours about 2 years ago. It was around 250, 240. I was just looking online, and they're now in Bunnings. It's the big box store here for around 300. So you know, inflation, all that crazy price rises that have gone on over the last couple of years. We all know about it. Let's sit back and watch how the Ozito Silent Shredder, which isn't that silent, but let's listen to it and see how it turns this into some nice mulch for the garden. And there we go. Just out of those sticks, comes all broken down. You can break them down finer. You've just got to adjust that knob there. But I like them like this. They're nice and I don't know, meaty. And what happens now and again, it will jam for whatever reason. So there is the off button. Just hit the off button. Then you got the reverse button to bring it back up. You hit that. Yes, you hit that reverse button there. You press that, and the jam becomes unjammed. For whatever reason, it was jammed. And then we switch it back to going down. Like Mr. Humphreys said on Are You Being Served? In the elevator, going down. There you go. Go to the blades. Now this can't be good. It's broke off. Let's investigate. Yeah, well, there's some of the mulch looking good. But for whatever reason, there we go, look at that, pretty good stuff. For whatever reason, it stopped chopping. It stopped chopping. What's going on? My Ozito. Slide down. Okay. Well, that's usually on the side. That's half. It's completely snapped where the blades spin around and round, and this guides them through, and the blades chop off there. So half of it's gone off. I think that might be the end of the the shredder. Let's investigate a bit more. Well, that piece is definitely needs to be replaced. I wrote an email. Very disappointed. It was working very well last time we used it. Obviously it doesn't like, and they're not like the hardwood, they're all just tree twigs. And this part's just busted off. Ozito Shredder. Well, give me what, a third of a bucket, half a bucket. Still got all this to do, but it ain't gonna work today until I can investigate if whether this can be replaced, or they might be able to send me another one. Well, extremely disappointed. I was very happy with that last time I used it. This time, bloody fail. So, unless we can work out, you know, what's involved in replacing this, that's apparently $300 worth of equipment from Bunnings. And there's Charlie making a noise. Money not worth spent. Let's see what happens.